Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Huel protein shake. First, gather your essential tools: a clean Huel shaker bottle and some cold water. Huel powder offers a nutritionally complete meal, and preparing it correctly ensures you get all the benefits. Select your favorite Huel flavor to begin this simple process. Having everything ready makes the preparation quick and easy, so you can enjoy your shake without delay. Now, let's get to mixing. Start by pouring 500 milliliters of cold water into your Huel shaker bottle. This helps prevent the powder from sticking to the bottom. Next, add 2 level scoops of your chosen Huel powder. Be precise with your measurements for the best consistency and nutritional balance. Finally, ensure the lid is securely fastened to prevent any leaks during the next step, which is crucial for a smooth shake. With the lid firmly in place, it's time to shake. Vigorously shake the bottle for at least 10 seconds. This action helps to thoroughly mix the powder with the water, breaking down any potential clumps. After shaking, quickly check the consistency. If you notice any dry powder or prefer a thinner shake, you can add a small amount of extra water and give it another quick shake. Aim for a smooth, uniform texture. Your Huel shake is now ready to enjoy. For the freshest taste and best experience, we recommend drinking it immediately after preparation. If you can't finish it right away, you can refrigerate your shake for up to 24 hours. Feel free to customize your Huel by adding ice cubes for a colder drink or blending in some fresh fruit for extra flavor and nutrients. Enjoy your perfectly prepared, nutritious Huel shake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.